Hey guys, welcome to our latest project that's up for sale, 16 Walker Court in East Quogue. We figured today we're going to give you a private builder's walkthrough on this project. So follow me, we'll show you everything. Hey guys, so welcome. The first thing we'll talk about is a door you just walked through. This is our big, beautiful pivot door from the Pivot Door Co. out of Colorado. These doors are great. You get all different sizes and heights. This one happens to be a 48-inch wide by 8-foot, full 8-foot tall pivot door with our Emtek digital hardware. And I will put a link up to their website in the description. All right, so before we do the walkthrough of the house, we're just gonna go over a couple things, couple details that you probably would never hear from your brokers or just know by walking around. This is a renovation, but the cool thing about this particular renovation was, the only thing really remaining from the original house is the crawl space foundation and the original floor framing, and there's not even a lot of that left. Because we raised the ceiling heights to 9 foot, and change the roof line, we pretty much were able to reframe the entire perimeter of the house, including interior walls. Now, this is a waterfront home. That's always a challenge with permitting, especially here in the town of Southampton, even though the house is located in East Quogue. Our building department is Southampton, Conservation Board Southampton. So, we were able to do a lot of stuff working within the parameters of the town's requirements. So essentially, you have a completely brand new shell. Starting from the top down, brand new cedar shingles on the roof, cedar siding, all new, brand new windows and doors. And some of the really cool features of the house are, because we got this house up to the HERS 50 rating, you're getting solid spray foam insulation on all the ceilings and all the walls and the floors. So this house is super energy efficient. Even though we have the tall vaulted ceilings, it's still gonna retain a lot of your heat and your air conditioning. We also have electric heat pump systems in this house for your heating and cooling. So that being said, you're not burning gas to heat the house and electric. You're really just using all electric. Now, some people might think that's crazy and the electric bills will be sky high, but they're actually not. And because it's only really one use, your one electric bill, it actually is a cost savings you'll see in the end, and there is opportunity to add solar if you want to offset some of the electrical cost. So basically this house has gas, you can see here, for the gas fireplace and for the stove, and that's it. So, also running this gas fireplace in the winter is 60,000 BTU unit. This is a custom fireplace from DaVinci. You can see up here we have an exhaust, so it's gonna pump a lot of warm air back into the house, so you probably won't even be using your heat that much with this super efficient gas fireplace. So those are some really cool features of the house. You're almost basically getting a new construction here. Some other features, there's a semi-custom kitchen here made in the US. We have Cambria countertops. Cambria countertops come with a lifetime warranty. There are not a lot of quartz companies out there doing it. We love the product, made in the USA, so you really know what you're getting, and they really stand by their product. We have 5-inch oak floors, so we use engineered oak. Cool thing about that, being so close to the water, being on a crawl space, there's a lot of humidity, but because the floors are pre-engineered, basically they're plywood backed, they're much more stable, but you still have a good thick wear layer of white oak. You can refinish these floors 2 or 3 times. We did a product called Monocoat. It's a European product. It's a 1-coat application. It's a very natural product. There's no chemicals in it. It's really neat. And then we over-coated it with a new product of theirs. It's an oil, basically, that goes over it, acts like a polyurethane, but you really end up with really natural-looking floors. So another cool feature. All the lighting is from Visual Comfort, so really good product. They have a store right here in Southampton. The reason why we use them, if you need to replace anything or get parts, they're local, easy to access. So let's walk through the house. We'll give you some more details on some other stuff.